Imagine wearing a pair of glasses that look exactly like classic Ray-Ban Wayfarers, but they can take photos, record videos, play music, make calls, and even answer your questions using artificial intelligence. The Ray-Ban Meta Smart glasses are real, and they're changing the way we capture life. These glasses pack a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera right into the frame along with a 5-microphone system, so you can capture exactly what you see and hear without pulling out your phone. Think about those moments when you're watching your kid play baseball, cooking dinner, or exploring a new city and you want to remember it, but you don't want to stand there holding your phone. Just tap the button on the right side of the glasses or say, "Hey Meta, take a photo," and you've got it. The camera sits where you'd normally find the Ray-Ban rivets, so it's super discreet, and most people won't even realize these are smart glasses. They can store over 500 photos and about 100 short videos right in the glasses with 32 gigabytes of built-in memory. Now let's talk about what makes these glasses really special. They have open-ear speakers built into the arms that deliver rich audio without blocking out the sounds around you. You can listen to music, take calls, or catch up on podcasts while still hearing traffic, conversations, and everything happening in your environment. The sound quality is surprisingly good for speakers this small, with clear mids and highs, though the bass isn't as strong as dedicated headphones. But here's where it gets really interesting. Meta AI is built right into the glasses, so you can say, "Hey Meta," and ask questions, get directions, translate languages in real time, learn about landmarks, or even get recipes based on what's in your fridge. The AI can look at what you're seeing through the camera and give you context-aware answers. Standing in front of a historical building? Ask what it is. See a sign in another language? Get an instant translation. The voice recognition works really well even in noisy places, so you can send texts, make calls, and control everything hands-free. You can also live stream directly to Facebook and Instagram, which is perfect if you're a content creator or just want to share experiences with friends and family in real time. The charging case looks just like a regular Ray-Ban case, but it's actually a portable charger. The glasses give you about 4 hours of battery life, and the case provides up to 8 additional charges on the go. A quick 15-minute charge gives you hours more juice, and a full charge takes just over an hour. The case charges via USB-C, fits easily in your pocket or bag, and has LED indicators to show battery status. Setting up the glasses is straightforward. You need a smartphone running Android 10 or iOS 14.4 or higher, the MetaView app, a Meta account, and wireless internet. The app pairs with your glasses via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, lets you transfer photos and videos, manage settings, and even customize which music services you want to use. You can connect Spotify, Amazon Music, or other streaming platforms and control everything with voice commands or by swiping on the touch-sensitive area on the right arm. They come in the classic Wayfarer style that's been iconic since the 1950s, and you can choose from different lens options including clear, polarized, gradient, or even prescription lenses. They weigh only 49 grams, which is light enough to wear all day without discomfort, though some users mention they feel slightly heavier than regular glasses after a few hours. The build quality feels premium with durable plastic frames and smooth metal hinges. They have an IPX4 water resistance rating so they can handle light rain or sweat. Privacy is taken seriously too. There's a white LED indicator that lights up whenever you're recording video, and the software actually detects if you try to cover it up and won't let you record. This helps ensure people around you know when the camera is active. So what are customers saying? People love the video quality, the ease of use, and the iconic design, with many saying the fit is comfortable and the overall performance exceeded expectations. Users are impressed by how well the camera captures first-person perspective moments, making it feel like you're actually present instead of watching through a phone screen. The voice recognition gets praised for being impressively accurate even in moderately noisy environments, and people appreciate being able to send texts, take photos, and get answers hands-free. The open-ear speakers receive positive feedback for clear audio quality during calls and music playback. However, some customers point out that battery life and weight are concerns for a few users, especially during heavy use with the camera and AI features running frequently. A handful of users mention connectivity issues occasionally, and some feel the Meta AI features could be more robust. The camera quality in low light isn't as good as modern smartphones, though it performs well in good lighting conditions. Professional reviewers echo similar sentiments, with many calling these the best AI wearable currently available. The consensus is that while these glasses won't completely replace your smartphone, They excel at capturing spontaneous moments, keeping you present in experiences, and providing convenient hands-free access to music, calls, and information. They're particularly popular among content creators, parents who want to capture family moments without being distracted by their phones, and anyone who appreciates the blend of classic style with modern technology. At $299 for the standard version, or up to $379 with polarized or transition lenses, they're priced competitively considering you're getting genuine Ray-Ban quality combined with all this technology. Many users point out that regular Ray-Bans already cost around $200, so the added smart features feel like a reasonable upgrade. The Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses represent a genuine step forward in wearable technology that doesn't sacrifice style for function. They let you live in the moment while still capturing it, and that's a pretty powerful combination. Whether you're documenting your adventures, staying connected on the go, or just want a more seamless way to interact with technology, these glasses deliver real practical value in a package that looks undeniably cool. Leave your comments and questions down in the details section of the video. Like and subscribe for similar content, then watch the next video that will appear in front of you soon.